Hello friends, welcome to JAIJESS world, and in this video I am going to show you how to make a bookmark like this using colored paper. So let's start with the video. First we need is an A4 size sheet. Here I have taken a yellow A4 size sheet. Now we are going to fold it in half. Now we are going to fold it up again. Now we are going to open it. Now we are going to cut this through the mark. Now we are going to cut it through the middle. Now I have cut it in half. Now we are going to take one sheet from this. So now we are going to take this sheet. We are going to fold this corner to here. Now we are going to cut the excess sheet. Now we are going to open it. And now we have a square sheet. Now we are going to fold it up. Fold it up. We are going to open it back and we are going to fold it sidewise. Now we are going to open it. Now we are going to fold this corner to the middle. We are going to do the same thing with the other side. Open it up, then we are going to cut these two excess sheets. Now we are going to fold this top part to the bottom. Now we are going to take this sheet, this part, and we are going to fold it up. Then fold it in half. See, now we are going to take this sheet, this piece, we are going to insert it inside this part. Then press it nicely, and our bookmark is ready. Now we are going to decorate it. We are going to draw some shapes. I'm going to write something on this. I'm going to draw some hearts. Now we have finished decorating it and our bookmark is ready, and we can put it inside books. And now I am going to show you how to put it inside the book, and I have also made some more of the bookmarks. See, I am going to show you how to put it inside. Take the page which you stopped reading, then take the corner, place it inside like this. this is how to keep it, and and close it. And whenever you want to read the same page, just open it up. Then we have the bookmark here. So that's it. That's how easy and simple it is to make these cute bookmarks. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can see my new videos. Bye friends.